everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be playing with the brand new palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is the Berry Icy palette. I think this is such a beautiful palette. I wanted to say a huge thank you to Simply Posh Cosmetics for sending this palette to me. I was so excited when they sent me a message saying they wanted to send me their new palette, so a huge thank you to them. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and let's get into the eye look. This palette does launch today, January 30th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. It is cruelty-free and vegan. It will retail for $45. It does come with 12 mattes and 6 super sparkly duochromes. I think this palette is so beautiful. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell, but in the mattes are little berries, which I love. I love Simply Posh's embossing on their eyeshadows. I think it is so beautiful, and the packaging on this palette is absolutely stunning. One of my favorites out of my whole collection. I think it is so beautiful. Here are what the swatches look like. These are so beautiful. This shade here is so interesting. This palette is actually very unique. I really don't have a lot of these shades in my collection. Here are the palettes that Simply Posh has came out with in this format. I did buy these to myself, and I got this one sent to me. I love Simply Posh's formula. I've been really impressed with these two palettes, so I know this one is going to be good. I wanted to show them side by side. I don't think they're similar at all, but I wanted to just show them just in case. So we have a Fairy Tale Fairies, which is actually the first one that they came out with in this format. So you have the light mattes, the shimmers in the middle, and then the deeper mattes. Here is what Fairy Tale Fairies and Berry Icy look like side by side. And here's what Genuine Gems and Berry Icy look like together. These two have really cute embossing as well. This one has fairies in it, and then this one has little gems. I love it when brands do that. I think it is so cute. I love the little berries embossing. I think that is so cute. I don't want to touch them and mess them up, but I think it is so beautiful. I love the light mattes and then the shimmers and then the deeper matte shades. I think this is so beautiful. These blues are very unique to my collection, which I'm really excited to use. I don't have anything like that in my collection, which is saying a lot because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So let me zoom you in and we will get started on the eye look. I want to do a mixture of the blues and the purples. I'm going to start with this matte in the shade Fruity. And I'm going to put this all over my crease. Then going in with the shade Tart and putting that on the outer corner. These mattes have blended out so easily. I love Simply Posh's formula. I think it is very underrated. I love it. I am going to go in with a matte and use the shade Pulpy, which is such a beautiful shade. I have not swatched these as I am filming this. Of course, you have already seen the swatches by now, but that shade to me is so interesting. So I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm actually going to put that all over my lid. Stop it right now. Look at how beautiful this look is. You could leave it like this, which I almost want to, but I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go in maybe with the shade Delicious right here. I think I might just tap over that blue really, really lightly. I don't want to ruin it because I think this is so pretty. I'll probably do it again and just leave it matte, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to show off some of the shimmers. This is so beautiful. I love the way that this is looking. I'm going to take Frozen, which is a dark blue to kind of purple, and I'm going to take a really small brush and run that across my lower lash line. I don't know what I want to do for the inner corner. I'm deciding between the shade Fresh and Berry Icy. I think a matte in the inner corner would be so pretty. I'm having a hard time trying to decide. I'm going to start out with Fresh and put that in the inner corner. If I don't like it, I'm gonna put a little bit of Berry Icy on top of it. I might do that anyways. So you could leave it like this, but I am going to take Berry Icy, which is a light blue to purple. I think it is really pretty. I love these duochromes in the palette. Alright, here is the look. I'm gonna put on some mascara, finish up the rest of my face makeup, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Here is the look all complete. To stick with the berry theme on my lips, I have from Fenty Beauty, this is the Poutsicle Hydrating Lip Stain in Berry Banger. I love the look that I came up with. I think it is so beautiful. I will definitely be doing this look again. I know I didn't use very many shades to create this look, but I am very impressed with this palette. I love the mattes in this palette. They blended out so nicely. I love that I could use the blues and the purples and kind of mix and match the both sides, but I love that you can create an all blue look and then an all berry look, and I love that you can go down the row and create a look. If you are having a hard time trying to decide what look to do, you could use these 3 shades and keep going down the line, and you could create so many different looks. But I also love that you can mix and match together to create beautiful looks. I'm very excited to have this palette in my collection. If they wouldn't have sent it to me, I would have 100% bought this palette. I love Simply Posh Cosmetics so much. I love their quality, I love their color story, and I love their packaging. I love everything about them. I definitely want to create more looks with this palette, so I will probably be doing another video where I create 2 different looks with this palette, just so if you wanted some more inspiration, you can check out that video. I'll maybe have it up maybe later this week or so. But yes, I am really impressed with this palette. I would definitely recommend it. Not saying that just because they sent that to me. I love Simply Posh's formula. Really beautiful. I'm very excited. I'm very excited that they sent this to me. I got a little card and everything, so I'm very excited. Thank you to Simply Posh for sending me this palette. Love it. I cannot wait to create more looks with it. But that is everything for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Make sure you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone. Have a good one.